Hey there, this is T-REA fixing to go fishing. Just got through leaving the grocery store, got some chicken liver. Trying to pull out in front of somebody here. Anyway, rolling video log, if you will. Anyway, got a bucket. Got to have a bucket to put the fish in. Got 2 poles and one float between them. Got the wire leader that I showed you how to put on. And, well, next stop is the gas station, so I make sure I have enough gas to get there. It's extremely windy. It's the 26th day of February, 2008. It's about 48 degrees. I just happened to pass by one of the nice little kiosks that tell you how hot or cold it is. Anyway, touch back with you when I hit the lake. Like I said, it's extremely windy. Lake wind advisory. Probably not a good day to be going fishing, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. So that's it for right now. How's it going? Well, we've made it to our destination. We'll soon be at the water. The water lies right back off in here behind us. We're going to have to hike in there to go to where it'd be safe to go to today, being that it's extremely windy. Anyway, just before 5 o'clock, peak time, so let's get to hiking. Anyway, it's a rather small trail. It goes right around the edge of the lake. Once you get down to the lake, I'll pop the camera on and let you see what a lake wind advisory looks like at this particular lake. Okay? So, y'all sit tight. Okay, we're finally here. Let's see how long it took to get here. Started walking, about a 20-minute walk. Just going to kind of wing the camera around here real quick. We started our journey right about down there, all the way across. Now, what you probably are not going to be able to see, lake is actually level. Anyway, the ground's not. On a lake wind advisory day, what that means is that the wind is extremely sharp and it'll make a lot of chop. We are literally probably one of only 2 fishermen who are out here actually fishing. On the far side of the lake, there are large waves crashing, about a foot, maybe a little bit more. They're actually casting up the large bank. Anyway, it'd be rather dangerous if we were out there in a boat. It'd be even more dangerous if you're trying to fish on the other side, because the concrete edging that they use on that side to reinforce the walls gets rather slick. If you happen to step into it, it's all over with. Trust me, I've been there. Anyway, I'm going to get set up, and we're going to try and catch some catfish. So, for that I got to untangle my poles, get my bait on, and after I get at least one out there, I'll cut the camera back. I just put it on pause, and dang, be danged if I didn't just get a bite. Gotcha. Now we got a situation. We got another pole that's actually in the water, so I'm gonna have to. Just like that, folks. First catfish, 2008. And just for those who think this is one of them fishing shows where I've recorded it forever, it's 5:24. That's right, we ain't been here no time. Cat in the bucket. Anyway, before we take it off the hook, we're going to put water in the bucket, and then I'll show you to get the catfish off the hook. Meanwhile, I still got to watch this cork. little bit about catfish. Okay, see this? That's a barb. If you actually notice, he's making noise. He's not really happy. But there's one here on the back, and another one right here. These are a smidge bit from fighting. But the hook that we use catches them right in the corner, so it makes it easy, relatively easy, to just go ahead and snap that out. Anyway, had to keep an eye on that other line over there. Try to keep them upside down. That generally keeps them a little bit more patient. Pisses them off a bit too, but it beats getting sprung with one of those things. Dude, if you get that, you need to go get it checked out. You're probably going to be quite sick. Anyway, we discarded the busted chicken liver. That's how you catch a catfish. Put some more chicken liver on here and we're going to go right back to fishing. I'm not going to put you on pause. Got robbed while I was taking the catfish off. Oh well. I know where they are, so do you. Now it's a matter of catching them and getting them in. My personal goal today is going to be 4 fish, because I'm wanting catfish for dinner. Again, just kind of loop it through the fattiest part you can find, through the medius area. Open your bail. And let it fly. It's way out there on the flat, so I'm going to bring it back just a bit. Anyway, while it sinks to the bottom, another one right here.